Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Opera Playback. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Opera Playback. So the Opera Playback is when you're using your Opera and you have two, for example, you're using a Spotify and a YouTube and you're playing on Spotify and you're playing on YouTube. But when you play your YouTube, the Spotify stop. When you play on YouTube, when you're playing on Spotify, the YouTube stops. And just go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do to fix that is by clicking right here, the three horizontal lines. After clicking on that, just go down to go to full browsing settings. So for that, just keep going down to advanced. Keep going down, 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 down until you see right here player. And once you're here, you will see the playback. See the play. You see the playback. This is the playback right here. So enable player, as you can see right here. So when this is automatically pause playback when other media starts playing, you can off that so you can have two sounds at the same time. When you're using your YouTube or Spotify, they will make sounds or they will play at the same time and it will not pause the other. So there you go, guys. If you want a chaotic listening to music or maybe chaotic I don't know what you want, chaotic sounds together, just off that. So yeah. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: when you're on this, you can also choose the playback. But for me, I would choose immediately. So whenever I pause the my YouTube, it will immediately play my Spotify music. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.